In today's video, I will walk you through how to embed Spotify playlist. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Then navigate to the exact playlist you want to embed. Make sure you have selected the playlist you want to share, since the embedded player will display that playlist's cover art, title, and track list. Next, look for the three dots next to the playlist's name or cover image. Click the three dots to open the playlist menu. From the available options, select Share. Then, look for the option to Embed Playlist. Depending on what you see, you may instead find an option to Copy Embed Code. Select the available option to get the playlist's embed code. Once the embed code has been copied, switch to your website editor. Go to the part of your page where you want the Spotify player to appear. Look for an area where you can add raw HTML or custom code. Depending on the website editor you are using, this may be labeled HTML, custom code, embed, or something similar. Make sure you are adding the code in the HTML or custom code section rather than a regular visual text editor. This ensures the embed code is added as an embedded player instead of appearing as regular text on the page. Once you are in the correct section, paste the Spotify embed code exactly where you want the player to appear. Choose the location on the page where you want to place it. You can position it in a full-width section, a narrower column, a sidebar, or another section of the page, depending on the layout you are using. The size and alignment of the player will usually adjust based on the container where you place the embed code. Placing it in a wider or narrower section can affect how the player appears on the page. After pasting the code, save or publish your page as you normally would. Once the page is live, the Spotify player should load automatically in the location where you added the embed code. The embedded player will display the playlist you selected, allowing visitors to view the playlist and use the player directly from your page. If you need to change the playlist or move the player to a different location, return to the section where you added the embed code and make the necessary change using the embed you created for that playlist. And that's how to embed a Spotify playlist on your webpage. Thank you for watching.